Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this video, here we are going to convert a string into list of items. Here we have three types of strings are there. So one is given like this. So this data equal to mathematics. Now this string was going to convert into list of alphabets. So let's see here how to convert. So just apply list method upon the given data. Now run the code. It will returns list of alphabets. If you apply the same method here for this string, data 1, now run the code here. Here also get list of alphabets, but I want list of words. So at the time apply a split method. So on place here quotes. So in that quotes here we have a space is there. So that's why I'm going to provide here some space. Now run the code. Now observe the output. Now we got list of words which are separated by a space. In the next program here each word was separated by a comma. So at that time print list of, so this is data 2. Here also use split method. Quotes. So here comma is there instead of space. Here I provide space here, but here I am going to provide comma in single quote. Now run the code. So wherever comma is there, up to that it was taken as one item. So this output will be same. Okay, and this is the process of converting any string into list of items. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.